Today's mini class at Nana's Playschool is about the moon. The moon is a large rock called an astronomical body. It orbits the Earth once every month, and it also spins on its axis once a month. That means that the moon is always moving. Does the moon look like it's moving when you stand outside to look at it? How about when you're in a car? Do you think you could move like the moon? I'm sure you know how to spin, but do you know how to orbit something? It's tricky to do them both at the same time. The moon does it. Maybe you can too. Let's try. First, find a pillow or something soft. Place it in the middle of the floor. We're going to use our imaginations and pretend that the soft object is the Earth. Next, stand in one spot and turn around and around. Can you do that? Then see if you can keep spinning while you move around your soft object in a circle or an oval. Are you doing it? You are spinning and orbiting just like the moon. That is hard work. I think it's time for a story now. First, let's get our wiggles out. Are you ready? Let's go. I wiggle my fingers. I wiggle my toes. I wiggle my shoulders. I wiggle my nose. Now no more wiggles are left in me, so I'll be as still can be. Hi everybody. Welcome to story time at Nana's Playschool. I hope you enjoy. Just the Way You Are by Jen Greenleaf. Mac loved the moon. Mac thought the moon was the most beautiful thing in the world. Every day it was at least a little bit different. Sometimes the moon got bigger and bigger and bigger. And Mac would say, "Oh moon, today you are a little different than you were yesterday, but you are still beautiful, and I love you just the way you are." Sometimes the moon got smaller and smaller and smaller. And Mac would say, "Oh moon, today you are a little different than you were yesterday, but you are still beautiful, and I love you just the way you are." Sometimes the moon would hide behind the clouds, and Mac would say, "Oh moon, today you are a little different than you were yesterday, and it's hard to see you, but you are still beautiful, and I love you just the way you are." Sometimes the moon was invisible, and Mac would say, "Oh moon, today you are very different from yesterday. I can't see you at all, but I know that you are there, and I will get to see you soon. Even though I can't see you now, I want you to know that you are still beautiful, and I love you just the way you are." Did you know that footprints on the moon can last for millions of years? Can you help me count these footprints? Let's get in a little closer first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12? Wow, that's how many men have been on the moon. Imagine how many footprints must be up there on the moon. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to download your free vocab sheet, and I hope to see you again soon.